In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Singapore. We'll walk through the official, safe way to check your traffic offenses, make a payment, and save your proof, all from your phone or computer. This process is straightforward once you know where to go and what to expect. First, open the official Singapore Police Force e-service for checking outstanding traffic offenses and paying traffic fines. You can find it on the police.gov.sg website under e-services. Using the official portal is important to protect your data and ensure your payment is recorded correctly, so avoid third-party sites or links from unfamiliar sources. The portal works on both desktop and mobile, and the layout is clean and easy to follow. Next, log in. If you're a resident, use SingPass for full access. It's the fastest way to see details and proceed with payment. You can do a basic check with vehicle details alone, but to view complete information and pay, you'll need to sign in. Have the SingPass app or your credentials ready so you can authenticate quickly with QR code, fingerprint, or face recognition. If you're using a shared device, remember to log out when you're done. Once you're in, select the option to check outstanding traffic offenses. Your records will appear in a list showing the violation details, the fine amount, and the due date. Take a moment to confirm the vehicle plate number, location, and date so you know you're paying the correct ticket. If nothing appears yet, don't worry, it may not have been uploaded. Wait until you receive the official notice, then check again. Keeping an eye on due dates helps you avoid late fees or enforcement action. When you're ready to pay, choose your preferred method, credit or debit card, Pay Now or Apple Pay, and Google Pay where available. Make sure your card is enabled for online transactions and that you have sufficient funds. For Pay Now, follow the on-screen prompts from your banking app. During checkout, avoid refreshing the page or clicking multiple times. Let the system process your payment. Most payments are fast and usually take about 15 minutes to complete and reflect. Finally, save your receipt. Download the confirmation or take a clear screenshot and store it somewhere you can easily find later. You can also view your payment records anytime in your account. Keeping proof of payment is useful for any future checks or if you ever need to resolve a dispute. That's it. Using the official portal, logging in with SingPass, checking the details, paying securely, and saving your receipt. Follow these steps and you'll settle your traffic fine quickly and confidently.